In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in Slack. We'll walk through the full process from opening the workflow builder to publishing your finished automation, so you can save time and make your Slack workspace a lot more efficient. First, let's open Workflow Builder. From your Slack desktop app, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Tools section. Click on Tools, then choose New, and then Build Workflow. This option lets you start completely from scratch. If you'd rather not build everything yourself, you can also select Templates. Templates are great if you're new to workflows because they give you a pre-built structure you can tweak instead of starting with a blank canvas. Once Workflow Builder is open, the next step is to choose a trigger. The trigger is simply what causes your workflow to start. You'll see options like when a message is posted, when a form is submitted, or when a new member joins a channel. Think about the moment you want your automation to kick in. For example, if you want an onboarding workflow, you might use the new member joins a channel trigger. If you want to respond automatically to specific questions, you might use when a message is posted. If you use a message-based trigger, you'll then want to set conditions. This is where you narrow down exactly when the workflow should run. You can add keywords that must appear in the message, choose specific channels where the trigger is allowed, and even exclude threads so it only reacts to top-level messages. These filters help prevent the workflow from firing too often or in the wrong place. Next, it's time to add steps to your workflow. Click Add Step to define the actions that should happen after the trigger. You can choose to send a message, either to a channel or as a direct message, which is perfect for confirmations or alerts. You can collect information by adding a form step, which prompts people to fill in details you need. You can also integrate with other tools, like spreadsheets or calendars, to log data or schedule events automatically. For more advanced setups, developers can add custom steps using code to implement complex logic. As you build, you can customize and organize everything. Use the pencil icon to edit individual steps, adjust their content, or change settings. Use the arrows to reorder steps so they run in the sequence you want. If you have a step you'll reuse, click the duplicate icon to copy it instead of recreating it from scratch. When you're happy with your workflow, give it a clear, descriptive name so your team understands what it does. Finally, click Publish to activate it. From that point on, your workflow will start running automatically whenever its trigger and conditions are met.